Look, this guys is my official Telegram, SQL Aviator Predictor, Crash Hack 1x, my official link and QR code, scan and write me guys. Official support account, I open 24 hours every day, my username Crash Hack, also my QR code and username if you want my predictor, write me here my friends. So look at how it's work, how to work with my beautiful predictor. See guys, this stake website I choose because it knows it's not fake guys, it's not cutting, it's not montage. Okay guys, I chose Crash game, see my friends. Now I open my SQL injector guys, this really best predictor for very low price. You see this in oh nice today guys, I show you how it's work. I log into my admin account guys. Okay, login my friends. So how it's work, now I show you how to work my beautiful predictor. So guys, I login, now I need connecting to predictor to my website. I'm in one website, stake guys, I choose stake my friends, apply SQL injector settings. Okay, my website connecting, fine guys, fine now. Now I show you how it's work my friends, look at this guys. Okay, this all real guys, it's not cutting, this not montage my friends. So look at this first hack, 2.366, look at this my friends. 2.36x. Now I show you how it's working. This is not fake guys, this is not montage, this is all absolutely real friends. Okay guys, okay, again click hack button, get next predict, first is 1.44, next is 2.35, oh sorry 36, and next 1.55x guys. Okay, look this my friend how it's work, and boom guys, it's not fake, it's not cutting my friends, it's not montage. You see this known as this really best predictor my friends. 3.38 guys, this really best predictor. All numbers calculate 100% predict guys, this really best predictor for very low price. You see known as guys. Look this my friends. See my dude. Look this really working predictor. 3.38x and boom guys, this real working, this not all. I click again hack button, get next predict. Okay, 1.37x guys, this is really good predictor my friends for very low price. 100% predicts guys, you see this in no nice. This all really work. If you want my predictor, write me here.